Red hot poker, or Kniphofia, is a herbaceous perennial from South Africa, and it grows between 2 to 3 feet tall, and it's hardy in zones 3 to 9, and it loves to be planted in full sun in well-drained soil. And you can, if you want to, keep it moist and fertilize it every other month throughout the summer. And you can see how it starts out here at the bottom. These are the blooms here at the bottom, and these are the blooms that are coming on. And then as it blooms, it will travel up the flower like this. So these are spent blooms. These are new ones that are coming on, and these are ones that haven't bloomed yet. And this is yellow at the top, and it will be reddish as it blooms. These are the spent blooms down here. This plant is loved by hummingbirds and other pollinators, and it does great in your perennial bed in full sun like this. And this is just planted last year. This spiky growth is kind of like daylilies, only it's more firm. And you can just really just get along without doing much of anything to this hardy, self-caring plant. Just plant it out in full sun in well-drained soil, and it will be okay. And like this here growth is just from 2 years. And if you're sitting in our window there, you can watch the hummingbirds visit this almost every day, although they're quick and they're gone right away. But this plant is, I planted it actually because it is loved by hummingbirds. And so put this in your garden. I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.